Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mother Baby Care. Today's video is about home remedies to get relief from vomiting during pregnancy. So let's start this video. Vomiting and nausea are very common symptoms of early pregnancy. Excess vomiting can dehydrate the expectant mother and make her feel tired throughout the day. Nausea and vomiting due to pregnancy are referred to as morning sickness, and you can experience it any time of the day or night. Most women experience morning sickness during the first trimester of pregnancy, but in some rare cases, severe and persistent vomiting and nausea led to a condition called hyperemesis gravidarum. Here are some of the effective home remedies for vomiting that you can try to stop vomiting during pregnancy. First, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keep yourself hydrated and drink at least 8 to 12 glasses of water every day. It helps to prevent dehydration and also reduces the chances of nausea. Drinking water is one of the easiest home remedies to beat the problem of nausea or vomiting. You can also consume healthy drinks to meet your daily requirement of fluid intake. Second, lemon juice. Lemon is well known for providing instant relief from nausea and vomiting. The citrus flavor of lemon provides you instant relief from morning sickness. Third, ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of the best remedies to stop vomiting during pregnancy. The odor and taste of ginger help in reducing the feeling of vomiting and nausea. You can include ginger in your diet in several ways. You can consume the grated ginger with honey, simply chew ginger's small pieces, or drink ginger tea to stop vomiting. Fourth, yogurt. Yogurt is one of the healthy snacks for a pregnant woman as it is packed with essential nutrients such as protein, potassium, and calcium. It is not only tasty but healthy as well. It contains probiotic bacteria that prevent yeast infection and stomach upset. It is great for the good health of the digestive tract. It helps to reduce the feeling of nausea and vomiting. Fifth, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is well known for reducing nausea and vomiting. Include those foods in your pregnancy diet that contain a high amount of vitamin B6, such as whole grain cereals, fish, bread, eggs, poultry, seeds, nuts, lentils, soybeans, etc. Vitamin B6 supplements are also prescribed by the doctor for the treatment of morning sickness. Sixth, peppermint tea. You can consume peppermint in several ways. You can simply chew its leaves or make peppermint tea to get relief from vomiting during pregnancy. Seventh, acupressure. Acupressure is a healing art that helps to reduce vomiting or nausea. This technique applies pressure on a spot in the wrist and helps to control nausea and vomiting. It is a scientifically proven technique to reduce morning sickness. 8th, coconut water. Coconut water is rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It is a natural healthy drink with low sugar content. You can consume it to combat morning sickness during pregnancy. 9th, cinnamon. Consuming cinnamon tea is an effective way of treating nausea and vomiting. It improves digestion, thereby prevent constipation during pregnancy. 10th, fennel seeds. The aroma and anti-emetic properties of fennel seeds provide instant relief from nausea and vomiting while pregnant. Chew fennel seeds whenever you feel like vomiting. 11th, kiwi. Kiwi is low in sugars and contains a high amount of folic acid and dietary fiber. It helps to prevent constipation and maintain the good health of the digestive tract. 12th, watermelon. The nutritious and energetic properties of watermelon help to eliminate morning sickness. Watermelon is packed with vital nutrients. Drinking a glass of watermelon juice brings great benefits for the expectant mother and her baby as well. You will feel fresh throughout the day. You can consume watermelon whenever you feel nauseated. 13th, oranges. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C. The tangy flavor of oranges helps to control morning sickness during pregnancy. The rich fiber content of oranges helps to prevent constipation. They contain sodium and potassium that help to maintain fluid levels in the body and promote hydration. So these were some of the home remedies to get relief from vomiting during pregnancy. Now let's talk about some natural remedies to prevent or treat nausea and vomiting while pregnant. Here are some natural remedies to prevent or treat morning sickness. First, eat small meals frequently. Take 5 to 6 meals throughout the day. It allows your system time to digest food properly. Second, avoid eating those foods that trigger your morning sickness. Third, avoid strong smells as they can trigger nausea and vomiting. Fourth, eat foods that are high in carbohydrates and proteins. Fifth, sleep well, get plenty of rest and fresh air to breathe. Sixth, drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Avoid drinking anything with meals. Seventh, avoid eating fatty, greasy, fried or spicy foods. 8. Avoid caffeine or limit your caffeine intake. 9. Practicing exercises, yoga and meditation are some of the good ways to stay physically active and to reduce morning sickness during pregnancy. What are the causes of morning sickness during pregnancy? The exact causes of morning sickness are not known, but some possible causes include: first, increased levels of progesterone. Second, increased levels of estrogen. Third, increased levels of HCG. Fourth, heightened sensitivity to smell. Fifth, low blood sugar level. Sixth, fatigue and stress. Seventh, lack of exercise. Eighth, anxiety. All the above mentioned home remedies are quick, easy, and provide instant relief from morning sickness. Consult your doctor before trying any home remedy to get relief from morning sickness. Morning sickness is temporary and doesn't affect your baby's health. Nausea or vomiting is very common during the first trimester of pregnancy, but some women experience morning sickness throughout their pregnancy. If you are experiencing severe and persistent vomiting, then it's better to consult your doctor. So that's all about today's video. If you guys have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask them on the comment section. To know more on this topic, you can click on the link given in the video's description box. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Visit our website www.motherbabycare.in and also like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/motherbabycare.in. Like, share this video and do subscribe our channel Mother Baby Care. Thanks for watching this video.